Welcome to the journey of Protect Nature. Today, we will delve into the greatest challenges that nature can present. Are you prepared to face the fury of devastating earthquakes, merciless tsunamis, and fierce storms? These natural phenomena are not just terrifying fears, but also vivid demonstrations of Mother Nature's immense power. In these heart-pounding and intense moments, we will explore disasters that have left an indelible mark on human history. Each story is a profound shock, reminding us of the fragility of life and the urgent need to protect our planet. Get ready for your heart to race and your mind to be swept into intense emotions. This is not just a journey of exploration, but also a call to action for the survival of Earth. Are you ready to confront nature's wrath? Join us on this journey and witness the extraordinary that awaits. Like a giant beast, the landslide is ready to engulf and sweep away everything in its path. The roar of the volcano, creating a symphony of destruction and natural force. The fire burned fiercely in the quiet night, creating bright red streaks of light in the vast darkness. The sky was gray, quietly and calmly, signaling that the rain was about to overflow. Rain poured down like white silk, covering the whole space. Lightning suddenly appeared and roared across the dark night sky. Hailstones continuously fell, one by one hitting the ground. The sound of rushing water echoed like a roar that shook the surrounding space. The ground shook intermittently, then suddenly became like mud and broke apart. The fast-flowing water uproots trees, knocks them down, and sinks them deep under the water. The torrential water swept through everything, blurring the boundaries between heaven and earth. The strong wind blew away the corrugated iron roof, causing it to be swept into the air. Rain fell like white strips, covering the sky in a hazy layer. The fire broke out, spreading throughout the forest like an uncontrollable firestorm. The animals here panicked and quickly ran away, looking for shelter to escape the fierce fire. Grass and trees were burned, causing animals' food sources to become dry and depleted. On the top of the snowy mountain, the white ice began to crack under the weight of the long winter. The fast-flowing water poses many dangers, sweeping away everything in its path. The heavy rain came, pouring down like a giant curtain of water. Smoke and dust spread thickly throughout the space after the building collapsed. Strong winds swept away dense snowflakes, making the surrounding landscape blurry. Like a raging beast, the wind roared madly, sweeping away everything in its path. Prolonged rain combined with poor drainage has led to flooding. The fire rose rapidly, billowing in the air, dyeing the whole forest red. The fire billowed high, as if it wanted to swallow and burn everything in its path. Roads flooded with water have now become a never-ending nightmare. Prolonged flooding always requires continuous support from rescue forces. Snowflakes gently fall, filling the space with pure white cover. A thick layer of snow covers everywhere, forming an endless white carpet. The scene was engulfed in cold silence, leaving only piles of snow. Columns of smoke rose high, covering the sky and blocking all light. The red lava flow, boiling and rushing, was like a river of fire, swallowing everything in its path. Thick, black smoke billowed out, obscuring everything in a hazy layer. The fire flared up fiercely, spreading throughout the forest like a burning river. The wave came, swept away, and overturned the ships floating at sea. The immense stream of water flooded and engulfed everything in sight. Dust rose up, covering the entire surrounding area, creating a hazy and stuffy layer. The treetops swayed with the wind, as if ready to collapse at any moment. The sound of lightning echoed like a terrifying roar, creating a strong sense of vibration in the space. The wind whistled like nature's scream, hitting the ground hard. The rain poured down, white as a thick mist, covering everything in a hazy layer. Trees were blown down by the wind, broken branches and leaves lying overlapping on the ground. Thunder resounded like a roar of nature, spreading in a large space. The surrounding landscape is magically illuminated, creating a sharp contrast between light and shadow. Faced with the furious power of the storm, it could not resist and collapsed. The broken tree trunks lay on top of each other like exhausted warriors after a storm. An erupting volcano is a powerful and chaotic scene. Smoke-black clouds rolled up, obscuring sunlight, making the surrounding space gloomy. Wherever magma flows, it burns and incinerates everything in its path. The fierce rainstorm knocked down trees, blocked traffic, and paralyzed traffic. These poignant images have touched your heart, reminding us of the incredible beauty of our shared blue planet. The fury of earthquakes, tsunamis, and storms is a vivid testament to the great power of nature and a reminder of our responsibility to protect the environment. Join the Protect Nature movement to work together in preserving and safeguarding the beauty of nature for future generations. Every action you take, no matter how small, can make a significant difference. Share this video to spread the love for nature and build a strong community united in protecting our planet. Thank you for standing with us in the effort to protect the environment and preserve the beauty of the world we cherish.